Why is it that the human mind often jumps to conclusions, labeling and categorizing people and situations without a second thought? It's a fascinating question, isn't it? The human brain, an exquisite machine, is hardwired to make snap judgments as a survival mechanism. From the dawn of our existence, our ancestors needed to quickly assess whether that rustling in the bushes was a deadly predator or merely the wind. This instinctual need to categorize and label has remained with us, far removed from the perils of our ancestors, manifesting itself in the modern world as our tendency to be judgmental. Psychologists attribute this to the phenomena known as heuristics, mental shortcuts that our brain uses to make decisions swiftly. These heuristics save us time and mental energy, but they can also lead us to oversimplify complex situations, creating biases and stereotypes. Our brain also grapples with the concept of cognitive dissonance, a state of mental discomfort when holding two or more contradictory beliefs or values simultaneously. To ease this discomfort, our mind often resorts to making judgments that align with our existing beliefs, reinforcing our biases. Another psychological factor at play here is the fundamental attribution error. This refers to the tendency to overemphasize personal characteristics and ignore situational factors when judging others' behavior. This often leads to incorrect assumptions and, you guessed it, being judgmental. One might think that being judgmental only involves negative assumptions, but that's not always the case. Positive prejudices, while seemingly harmless, can also create unrealistic expectations and pressure, and so the cycle of judgment continues. Now let's take a step back and summarize what we've discussed. The tendency to be judgmental is a complex interplay of heuristics, cognitive dissonance, and fundamental attribution error. It's a survival mechanism that has morphed into a social behavior, often leading to biases, stereotypes, and misinterpretations. It's essential to remember that while these psychological phenomena explain why we are judgmental, they don't justify it. Empathy, understanding, and open-mindedness are key to breaking this cycle, to seeing beyond our mental shortcuts and biases. There's so much more to explore in the fascinating world of psychology. If you found this video intriguing, consider subscribing to delve deeper into the intricate workings of the human mind. Remember, understanding is the first step towards change. And with that thought, we bid you adieu until next time.